follow-up to my own video. I ran my light through the diffuser on my, so I have 2 of these, and I tied with many of the strings and shenanigans I have my black light inside the other one, and that way all the stuff that's out here shows a lot closer to what my eye sees instead of the bleed over that my camera just couldn't pick it up before. This is a lot better. This looks a lot more natural. The camera sees what my eye sees, so it matches significantly more. Same thing with trying to show the colors on these. So if somebody bought these, they're going to look a lot closer to this. The diffuser is for sure helping. The yellow is not so much there. So here in the back where the shadow is, that's what my eye sees. No, it's not quite what my eye sees, but the rest of it shows out really well. One of these is blue and the other one is purple. One of these is yellow, the other one is green. Oh, I can tell the difference now. That one is yellow, that one is green. Yeah, if you're not sure which one to buy the yellow one or buy the green one, whichever one your personal favorite is. The orange is amazing. The white or blue colors to say this is radio blacklight reflective hollow core rope, stunning visual effects. Come on. Cheating for 500, Alex. Blue. The diffuser is not helping that one very much. But I think in a completely dark room, which is what I have now, I turned off my monitor, then it'll show up quite nicely. A little bit of highlights of these paints. A little bit of highlights from some glue and these tapes. And somebody is going to have a marvelous clubbing experience. Not just me. Oh, the pasties. Some of the pasties are in fact UV reactive. The silicone ones, no, but some of the ones in the case here, damn it, nope, they all show up flat on the camera. But my eye says otherwise, so buy some, call me a liar, or don't buy some and get your own somewhere else. But that is my follow-up to my previous video. Blue and purple the same, green and yellow the same, orange leaps out, blue, meh. I got the blue instead of the white, so just in case, because I bought white from the hardware store. It was way cheaper. And all my makeup in the back there, it has showing pigment. I cannot wait to get that stuff going. It'll be fun.